All right, moving on to our person of interest this morning. We are joined by the incredible Mansi Parekh, who has made waves with a brilliant performance in critically acclaimed Gujarati film Kutch Express. But that's not where her journey starts or ends. She's nothing short of magical, as they say, bagging the National Award as well for the Best Actress. You must remember her where she had a really teary moment on stage, sharing the stage with cinematic legends as well, like Ratna Pathak Shah.
Right, for these actors, it's often, the culmination of decades and decades of striving.
Yeah.
And there's more to this very inspiring woman than meets the eye. Her love for fitness, her morning rituals, how she balances motherhood and stardom. We're going to dive into all of that, hopefully, today here on the show. Let's welcome National Award-winning actor, the style icon too, someone who's loved, Mansi Parekh. Mansi, thank you for joining us here on the show. Good morning and congratulations on your National Award. Can you just walk us through the moment itself? We were just reminiscing about it. It had stayed with us too.
It's one thing to have your name announced, and it's another thing to actually enter Vigyan Sabha and to be there with all the illuminaries who've, won multiple times, and to actually be in the same space as some of the greatest people, some of the greatest makers in the country. So it was incredibly overwhelming and so, like once in a lifetime kind of a feeling for me. And the fact that we produced Kutch Express as well, me and my husband, and we are just artists, we don't have any backing in the industry, we don't have any godfathers, there's no mentors. It's just us who want to do something new and do something without any idea how we're going to do it. And to finally have like this recognition for our film and for me as an actor was incredible. So when they announced my name on stage, I was standing, I remember, and I was like, oh my God, is this really happening? Am I actually going on stage? And this is, the moment is here. I was obviously very, very emotional because every artist worth their salt would wish for a national award. But to actually win it is another thing. And I'm so happy I could.
How sweet is that to have come from your own production house? And I believe it was just shot in 24 days. How did you manage that?
There were days when I was shooting almost 24, 25 hours without
Wow.
sleeping. Because, a Gujarati film cannot be made beyond a certain budget. And to reach that budget, it has to be shot within very limited days.
Wow.
So each and every minute is accounted for on set. You cannot afford to waste a single minute because the budgets are really limited. Unlike a Hindi film, which would have like the extravagance of, shooting for 50 days, 60 days. That doesn't happen in regional cinema, especially Gujarati. And within that crazy time schedule, you have to have your, performance intact and look good and feel fresh. So, but then I have my television background to thank for because television puts you through such
Yeah.
grueling hours that it's almost like you're on a battlefield and you got to perform no matter what. And all those years of my television helped me, as Monghi, my character in Kutch Express.
Sweet.
Mansi, a lot of people who love you also look up to the way you dress and in particular how you choose outfits, put together fabrics, textiles. Tell our audiences a little bit about your outfit at the National Awards ceremony. How did you decide exactly what you wanted to wear? How did you approach that?
So I'll tell you something. So our film won 3 awards. One is Best Actress for me. Second is for the film Best Film Promoting a Social Cause, and the third was for Best Costume, which was won by Nikki Joshi, who's also my stylist since a long time. She's done costumes for the film as well. So both of us were winning awards at the National Awards, and she was winning it for costume, and she was also styling me for the event. So we decided that because we were representing Gujarat, my outfit should definitely portray the weaves of Gujarat. So we had a pink bandhani patola sari, and we had an ajrak jacket on top of that. So those are the three classic weaves of Gujarat, which are very popular across the world. And I was very clear. I said, because I did a lot of research on what the other actresses have worn over the years, and I saw that there were lots of muted colors and nudes and dull golds and beiges and all that. I said, let's just go pop pink, because it's Gujarat, it's celebration, it's festive. We were in the middle of Navratri while the national awards were happening. So,
We'll just pull up that
Purvi
outfit.
Doshi is this very talented designer from Gujarat. in fact, from Kutch, so she was the one who designed the sari and the jacket. So it was a group effort and it paid off so well, because people really appreciated the outfit, the sari and the jacket.
Love it when there's a story behind every outfit as well. But there are stories regarding your yoga practice. Can you tell us more about that?
I think for me, it's like and come hail, come sunshine, my mat, I have to be on my mat. And there are days, when you don't feel great, and there are days when you're going through some lows. Through that, it's the mat. Like you just show up on the mat. It's like showing up for yourself and your mind and your mental peace and your health. So I show up on my mat and I make sure that I'm practicing. And depending on how physically fit I feel, like there are days when I don't feel that great, and then I might just do meditation and breath work. There are days when I'm like, no, I need my 1.5 hours of hatha yoga. Then I do that. But yoga is such an integral part of my life. And I can just say this that I think after having practiced it consistently for all these years, I feel the difference in myself. It shows up in ways which are very unexpected. For example, suddenly preempted. They are problems that are always last minute, always never expected, and always something that will put everybody, uh, you know, like feeling like, oh my God, what happened? Through that, my yoga practice helps me keep balanced and I don't freak out or I don't lose my temper or I don't go mad. I don't start screaming or throwing things. It really helps in maintaining my sanity through any kind of stressful situation. So, yoga helped me in every which way. And I would say everybody should practice yoga.
What lovely words to hear early in the morning, huh? Let's just take you back for a second, Mansi. We're going to seem like we're stuck on style, but we just want to ask you a little bit more because you have come to be known for that. What's a go-to look that defines you?
I mean, I love my hair like the way it is. I don't like styling it too much. So, like, for me, I love my curls. A lot of curly head people don't like their curls and they say, I wish I had straight hair, but I love my curls. So, for me, classic look is just little makeup like under eye, concealer, little lip gloss, mascara, open hair with little curl product, a white shirt and denim. And that's like my go-to. Because that looks chic, it looks classy, and like, it looks really nice. But of course, like there are events, like I'm going for an event tonight, then I dress up and I'm going to play like I'm going to wear like an off-shoulder black gown, and then there's going to be drama, like dramatic pulled back hair and smoky eyes. So depending on the occasion, my style evolves. And I think my style keeps getting better as I'm getting older, as I know myself better. Some people are great with style, like they know their style from the word go. For me, it's been an evolution. It's been like a way of discovering, what really works for me. And I think for me, less is more works.
Mansi, I'm not over your yoga answer, and especially seeing you and your daughter on the mat is really inspiring me as well. So let's go back to wellness for a minute and share with us your morning routine. How do you pep yourself up for a busy, hectic day of work?
My morning routine is the most sacred part of my day because I believe that if your morning starts well, then your day goes by amazingly. And if your day goes well, then your week goes well. If your week goes well, then your month goes well, and then your year goes well. So it's all linked. Like I take my mornings very seriously. I wake up in the morning. I don't go to my phone immediately. I start my day with honey and warm water. I immediately go to the gym or do my yoga, depending on what day it is. So I do my morning exercise first on an empty stomach. After that, I come back home and I do this juice with amla, beet, carrot, and pomegranate because it's an absolutely anti-inflammatory, gut health inducing juice. I do that. I do soaked almonds and soaked walnuts. And that is my morning breakfast. I do not have any other hot meal. I just do this. I start my day with this because then this just cleanses your system, flushes out the toxins, and that glow that juice can give you is, I mean, I think if you juice, you will know what I'm talking about in the morning.
Yeah.
Then then there's lots of music. There's like morning shlokas, I do like chants, I do all of that. Because even that's very important. I do a lot of breath work. So there's Kapalbhati and Bhastrika. These are things that you do because I think everything is about the breath.
Yeah.
We need to get a juicer in
Yeah,
the
in
studio
office,
is what
yeah.
this is teaching us.
Yeah.
Can you just tell us a little bit here, Mansi, about what it's like once you've won the national award? I mean, we're not, possibly going to win a national award for film in our lifetimes, but what happens after that, after you reach a milestone like that? Is it added pressure? How do you look at what's next?
I am on a path where I want to evolve with each project. I've never competed with anybody. I've always followed my own gut. I have never believed in this whole number game. Nor have I believed in people and Mansi, अरे ये तो थोड़ी work करेगा. अरे तुम हिंदी से गुजराती में कैसे आ गई? All these things happened, but like I've always held my own and believe that I am different and I have my own journey. And the national award has cemented that belief in myself. And I just it's like a step to greater opportunity, greater responsibility, and greater challenges as an artist because I believe that it's so important to challenge oneself constantly. Like the next film that I'm doing is absolutely like nobody's seen me in a role like this ever. Before this, I did a film, which was a horror comedy. Before that, I did Kutch Express, which was a completely simple domesticated wife from a small town. So every project, I'm doing something different, some different role, which hasn't been done before by me. And I think the national award is, it just cements all the work that I've done over the last 20 years and makes me feel like, yes, I am raring to go. This is just the beginning and there's so much more to do. Can't wait.
Yeah. And Mansi, the National Award really puts Kutch Express on the map for everybody else to also sort of watch out for. So if you had to create a tagline for your journey with Kutch Express, what would that be?
Dreams can be possible. Yes. It was a dream. It was just a dream for us to be able to do this. And, we don't even have any investors for our problem. We just had friends putting in money to make this film. Literally, it's a crowd-funded project. So if that film made with integrity and honesty can go this far, then anything you dream of can be achieved.
Beautiful.
What a beautiful note to start our day with here. Mansi, thank you for spreading your inspiration, your energy with us here on the show.
And you've really inspired us for all that yoga and juicing and all of it. We better get to it now.
Yeah.
We start our mornings here, but hoping to make yours in return. On that note, take a break. We'll be back in a moment.